Yo, this bee's just dragging off this wasp that was dead on the ground. What is his stinger thing doing, man? It's like he's trying to just like perforate him and eat his head at the same time. I mean, kind of looks like some kinky nonsense going on there.
It is like humming it and eating its neck. What's going on? Damn, nature, you're scary.
For real.
Oh god.
Dude, he's trying to fly, I think.
Take it back to his dungeon. So weird.
I think he's like... Did he eat his head?
I think so. Like, it looks like what it was doing. Ants are coming in. What is this even? Look, there's another kind of bug. What is this? Seriously.
I don't know. Some shit.
Fire is just like tripping all out.
Right?
Oh.
I think he's trying to eat his head so it's like easier
Lighter?
for him to fly.
Yeah. Oh, he's totally gonna take off. Oh my god.
Or is he just gonna drag him underneath this little frond here? Oh, shit.
No.
Oh man. He's bound for flight.
I think it might be a little freaked out by us too. I'm just so like curious.
Oh dude, it's like ripping back. Oh dude, yeah.